I start saying anything, for those of you who have sent me comments or messages saying that I talk too much, you can skip to this here and skip my, if you want to skip my insufferable ramblings, because I'm not just going to stop talking because you told me to. Okay, for those of you who decided to stay, before you ask, yes, these are Twilight posters. I'm just a little bit obsessed. Okay, I just thought it'd be different than, you know, the usual just green wall, so I switched walls. Okay. There are more posters over there, by the way. I'm so proud of them. Anyway, these past few months, I haven't been putting up a lot of videos because I haven't had a lot of free time and stuff. But I am back, and I'm going to be posting a lot of. Well, this is for those of you who've actually subscribed to me and who aren't just here like, oh look, there's a chick burping. You can click on the link, okay? So I'm gonna put up a lot more videos, like videos that I took but that I never really took the time to edit and post onto YouTube. So those are gonna be coming up. And projects, like school projects. Yeah. So okay. I have a burping video, like a secret thing that I'm planning to do, but I'm gonna keep that a secret. For now, just while we're waiting, for the I'm gonna do Burping Contest, so you can just leave a video response or a video that links to this video, and I don't yet know when the video, like when the contest is gonna end. I'll probably put a link or a date in the description. But yeah, so I can't burp once and have it like super loud and, okay, so I'm gonna be burping many times, and the burp that you're gonna have to beat, is going to be captured within an iris shot, so you know which one you're like aiming to beat. The rest is just there for your entertainment, I guess you can call it. So, yeah, enjoy. Okay, that was the, okay. No. Okay, come on. I need a big one here.